Did you know that breast is still best? Nothing can replace a mother's milk. Babies who are exclusively breastfed for the first 6 months of their lives are generally healthier and achieve optimal growth and development. This means that your baby should only drink breast milk as it contains all the water and nutrients your baby needs. Your breast can actually produce all the milk it needs, as the more your baby suckles, the more milk is produced. It is recommended that babies be breastfed at least 8 times daily. If you are having challenges breastfeeding, you can get information and support from your nearest health facility.
For more information, visit the Belize Family Life Association, Community Parenting Empowerment in the Department of Human Services, or the nearest maternal and child health clinic in your district.
Purposeful Parenting is brought to you by the Special Envoy for Women and Children, National Committee for Families and Children, and this station.